Sasha Phoenix from Dubai this week, and today we are at the Green Planet. We are about to explore everything green and some creepy crawlies. Follow me. Green Planet is situated in the heart of City Walk and is open daily to visitors from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Every moment spent inside this green oasis feels like being teleported to a world of wonder and nature. Green Planet is an authentic tropical rainforest experience that spans over 4 floors, housing over 3,000 plants and animals. It includes the world's largest sustainable artificial tree at a height of over 80 feet. Green Planet is home to the world's most colourful birds, reptiles and sloths. You will see many birds freely flying around, bats hanging upside down sleeping, and so much more. The Green Planet is definitely an adventurous place to come down and see. Bring your family, bring your friends. I'm Sasha Phoenix, Dubai this week.